How to switch from LTE to 5G. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to switch out from LTE to 5G. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So go to settings for that on your Android or your iPhone and look out for connections and tap on it. After we go to connections, what we can do is we can look out for the option called mobile networks and tap on it. And the first thing we need to ensure is that our devices and the SIM both support 5G and our network must also have 5G coverage. So under network mode, we can just go and tap on it. And here, select the option of 5G if that option is available. On your iPhone, you can go to the mobile data section and go ahead and open it up. Now that will basically switch the LTE to 5G when available. You can restart your network if needed. You can hold your phone for that and look out for the restart option and do so. Also, you can just go over and turn on the airplane mode and go ahead and turn it off or restart your phone. And in the top row of your screen, you can look out for 5G icon on the top right corner. It should show LTE. You may be outside 5G coverage and check if your SIM supports 5G, your mobile plan includes 5G, you are in a 5G coverage area and your phone's software is updated. And that's it. That is how we convert SIM to eSIM on Android. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.